If you're an 07 to 17 JK owner looking to purchase any tonneau cover, soft top, or cargo netting system that requires the use of a tailgate bar, this Bestop Tailgate Bar, which is our most affordable and popular one to date, is just what you're looking for. A tailgate bar is one of the main necessities when getting any soft top accessory or a soft top in order to keep it secure correctly. This can also be used if you misplaced your current tailgate bar, or if you have a damaged or worn out tailgate bar, this will also be the best and most affordable way to replace it. This is made from factory specs and is for the 2- and 4-door models. Installing this takes no time at all and is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and I'll get into that in just a moment. Now there's not much here to talk about, guys, but this tailgate bar, like I said, is made to all the OEM specs. So it's going to work with basically any soft top or soft top accessory application that you would need it for. The tailgate bar itself is made out of a heavy duty steel that's going to hold up and last a long time. Just like the factory tailgate bar, this also has rubber sealing gaskets in the front that's going to seal the tailgate when you close it, so no water will be able to leak into your cargo area when you have your soft top or duster installed. What I really like about this is that unlike other options that we offer, this comes with the tailgate bar retainer clips and the mounting screws to attach it to the Jeep. This makes this kit a one-stop shop, and you won't have to outsource to get tailgate bar retainers that are necessary to secure the tailgate bar to the Jeep in the long run. Overall, this is very well priced for what you're getting. At the moment, this is listed for right around $56, and in my opinion, it's a deal. The other tailgate bar that we offer is made by Omix ADA and is a genuine Mopar part and listed for more than triple the price of the Bestop tailgate bar. Not to mention that it does not come with the tailgate bar retainers that are sold separately for an extra $30. Omix ADA and Mopar are gonna be the original factory parts with the factory quality, so it's safe to say that the quality is what jumps this price up. On the flip side, Bestop might not be OEM, but it's still top of the line quality. In my opinion, if you are not looking for the original factory pieces for a direct factory replacement, and you want an inexpensive solution that's included not just a tailgate bar, but the retainers as well, this is gonna be your best option. The install will take you about 10 minutes, making this a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. For the tailgate bar itself, all you're gonna have to do is slide the C-shaped channel around the bottom of the rear window. To install the retainers, hook the bottom of each clip on the bottom of the tailgate retainer under the front edge of the belt rail, and roll the retainer towards the rear until it clips into place. Once you reinstall the rear window, you can pop the tailgate bar into the retainers and you're finished. Bestop also includes an adhesive hook strip for the trek tops only. There are more instructions in the box if you needed to use the adhesive strip. So if you were looking for the most affordable tailgate bar for your 07 to 17 JK, this Bestop kit is just for you. And you can find this and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.